We'll guide you through how to add and install LUTs in Davinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Open Davinci Resolve and go to the colors page, which is at the bottom. And once you are in the color page, look for the LUTs panel on the left hand side. So just click on the LUTs and it will be visible just like so. Now to install new LUTs, just go to the bottom right corner and click on the project settings icon. Just go to the color management tab and you will see lookup tables. Now if you want to add a new LUTs, just click on open LUT folder. This will open the folder on your computer where Davinci Resolve stores all LUTs. Now you can add your own LUTs. So you can create a new folder inside this location. So let's say I want to create a new folder. I will just press Ctrl Shift N on my keyboard and name it to something like custom LUTs and hit enter. And after that, copy your downloaded LUT files and paste them into this folder. So I have this particular LUT file that I downloaded. So I'll just select and press Ctrl X to cut and just go to that folder once again. And just go to the folder and press Ctrl V to paste it just like so. Just go to Davinci Resolve and now just choose to update list. Just go ahead and click on save. Inside LUTs, you should see your folder, which in my case was custom LUTs, and here it is. Now to apply LUTs, just click and drag it inside your node and just leave it in your node and you will see your LUT will be successfully applied.